Hello parents. I'm going to teach you today how to log into your student's Google Classroom account from home. First thing you're going to do is go to your web browser. If you're not in Google, then you need to type in www.google.com. Once you're there, you're going to go to the right-hand corner in this blue box that says Sign In, and you're going to click on that. It will pull up this that shows that you need to put in your email. If you're already logged in, if you have a Google account, you will need to sign out so that your student is able to sign in. Each student in Norman is given a account that has their email address. It's going to be their name, their abbreviation of their last name usually, and @student.norman.k12.ok.us. You're going to click Next, and then they have a password that they've been given. If you don't know that password, and if they don't remember, you can email your teacher and they can give you that. And click Next. And then you'll see in the right-hand corner that the student is now logged in to their G Suite. Now, we want them to be able to get into their Google Classroom, so there's two different ways they can do that. Since they're already logged in, they could just search Google Classroom, and then they can click that link, and since they're logged in, it'll pull up their classrooms. Another way that they can do that is to go to these 9 boxes. That is where their Google apps are. And if you open that up, it's going to give them their different options for the apps that they can open. So there's 2 ways that they can do that. Once they are in, you will see all the classes that they are members of in Google Classroom. We're going to click on Miss Susanto's class. And then you'll see that I have entered some things for them into the classroom as assignments. You'll see that there's a stream, classmates, and about section at the top. The stream is usually where their assignments are, and they will be able to go in and click on those assignments and open those up. Hopefully this helps you to understand how to do that. If you have any other questions, just let me know by emailing me. Thank you.